Hi, I've been waiting to share something that I love playing around with, which is lighting. If you also record your dance videos solo like me, then I hope this helps you. Now let's see how I transform this space. In my dance videos, you see my back facing the curtain, and on the opposite side, I get the kitchen view. The kitchen is where I keep my phone camera on the tripod stand. Size wise, from the curtain to the kitchen, it's 20 steps, and side to side from the couch to the cabinet, it's 10 and a half steps. I follow the 3 point lighting system, which is two lights in the front and one light at the back. To light me up from the front, first is the main key light. It's the brightest, and this one is 200 watt. On its own, it's very harsh, so I use this umbrella with a diffuser sheet to create a box and soften the light. Many times I've directly wrapped the sheet on the light, and that has also worked well. I keep this light diagonally facing me to avoid flat lighting. Now you can see how just this one light brightens the room so much. Also, I prefer tilting the light diagonally downward. So on one side is the key light and on the other side is the fill light. This is the second light which is less brighter than the key light, so I use this lampshade with a 9-watt bulb. This light fills the shadows created by the key light, and both of these together make me look separate from the background. Another option for key light is using a tube light. These have three color options: warm white, yellow, and cool white. These tube lights are 20 watt each, and this is how they light up the space. Sometimes I use the ring light on my phone tripod stand. This one allows me to change the intensity of the light, and it also gives a choice of three white shades. For this light, I attach an extension box. So here the key lights you can see are the two tube lights on either side and the ring light in the center. The lampshade on the right acts as the fill light. This is another key light I use. The best thing I like about this is that I can clip it anywhere. This gives a very focused cone of light, so I use it as a spotlight. It helps me to highlight my hair, skin, makeup, outfit, and accessories. I clip the light on the window grill, which is diagonal to me, and I also tilt the light diagonally down towards the floor and center. I use two such similar lights behind me at a higher level. These are 22 watt each, and they act as the backlight, which is the third type of light. These highlight my hair and skin from the back, which is why it's also called the hair light. I keep them facing down and towards the center. You can see with the reflection how focused these lights are. These lights make me look even more distinct from the background. And adding these to my light setup has really improved my production quality because of the depth they add to my videos. Now see how reducing the exposure changes the mood of the video. Here's the front view of the setup with the backlight, and here's the side view. Now here's the fun part. In this corner drawer, I keep my colored lights. I use these as backlights and to bring some color accents. These are two pairs of RGB brick lights and they're 50 watt each. Sometimes I use this as a colored spotlight, or I use this astro light when I want a cosmic effect. These are the remote controls for the brick lights, and this is for the cosmic light. I use this adapter when I want to add more lights. I prefer facing the brick light towards the curtain because it gives a nice pop of color to the background, and also because it picks up on the camera more easily and I'm able to enhance it while editing. I also like playing with the position of the brick light. We can keep it higher up or take it down to the floor, and we can even keep it further away from the curtain. Playing with colored lights is the most fun part of the process for me. There's a variety of colors to choose from, and if I don't decide the color palette in advance, I just choose it on the spot. Again, if I feel like changing it, I just go and do it. These colored brick lights also act as the backlight. So we have the colored backlights at the bottom and the yellow backlights higher up. Finally, this is what it looks like with the key lights, fill light, and backlights. And together, this is how they light up the space.